Current Affairs, 6 January 2021. 40th Indian Scientific Expedition to Antarctica launched. The 40th Indian Scientific Expedition to Antarctica (ISEA) departed for the South Pole from Mormugao Port, Goa with 43 members on board 5th January 2021. India has two stations on the polar continent of Antarctica, Maitri and Bharati, which are being operated under the National Centre for Polar and Ocean Research NCPOR, Union Ministry of Earth Sciences. The 40th ISEA team of scientists, engineers, doctors and technicians is led by three polar veterans: Yogesh Rai from NCPOR, Atul Suresh Kulkarni from Indian Institute of Geomagnetism and Ravindra Santosh More from India Meteorological Department. DigiNest. Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh on Wednesday virtually launched a mobile application, DigiNest, to give people digital access to the state government's directory, which can be synced with a smartphone with a click of a button. The Chief Minister also rolled out an online Punjab advertisement release order system to bring transparency and efficiency in the entire process of releasing state government's advertisement and payments to media houses. According to Punjab Chief Minister Office CMO, the system would help streamline the process of issuance of advertisement and the release of payments. Indian Army appoints Major General Gautam Chauhan as head of its newly created Human Rights Cell. The 13 lakh strong army has created a new Human Rights Cell headed by a Major General for greater transparency and probity in its functioning in disturbed areas like Jammu and Kashmir and the Northeast. Major General Gautam Chauhan, who was commissioned into the Gorkha Rifles, has taken charge as the first Additional Director General Human Rights at the Army Headquarters in New Delhi. He will report directly to the Army Vice Chief, with his branch being the nodal point to examine all human rights violation reports.